How to repair cracked and dried feet with Vicks Vapor Rub. The soles of your feet do not have oil glands that keep your feet moisturized and hydrated all the time. Because of this, cracked feet is a common problem many people face. Dryness in the skin of your feet commonly occurs in areas that are under constant friction or pressure, such as the ball of your feet, your heel, or in between your toes. This condition doesn't only make your feet look disgusting, but it can also cause discomfort or even pain if left untreated. Although there are a lot of home remedies and creams that you can apply to your cracked and dry feet, one of the most common ways of treating this is through the application of Vicks Vapor Rub. Vicks is an oil-based ointment that contains eucalyptus, camphor, and menthol. Aside from having the ability to trap moisture because of the oils in it, the eucalyptus and menthol that Vicks has can have a cooling effect that provides relief. According to the consultant podiatrist, Dr. Tariq Khan of London's Wilbraham Place practice, Vicks can even address fungal nail infections, which is challenging to treat. Dr. Khan stated that their theory is that one of the components of the Vapor Rub works on certain kinds of fungi that cause the fungal nail infections. Below is the procedure on how to remove the dead skin on the soles of your feet and make it smoother with Vicks Vapor Rub. 1. Before going to bed, shower and exfoliate the dead skin from your feet using a pumice stone or a scrub. 2. After showering, combine a small amount of Vicks Vapor Rub with coconut oil and massage it on all the calluses and other affected areas of your feet. 3. Take a pair of soft cotton socks and wear it to cover your feet. 4. When you wake up the next morning, wash your feet using warm water. 5. You will notice the skin on your feet will be softer and can easily be exfoliated using a pumice stone or foot scrub. 6. Do this procedure for several days until the hard, dry skin on your feet is completely removed. Note, once the cracks are gone, it is recommended to massage your feet with warm coconut oil to keep them smooth and healthy. Final thoughts. If the average pedicure is not enough to solve your cracked and dry feet problem, and you are looking for a cheap alternative that works, try using Vicks Vapor Rub. By performing the procedure outlined before, you will surely achieve smoother and healthier looking feet that you can flaunt. Furthermore, it is important to keep in mind that prevention is better than cure. So don't forget about taking care of your feet and include them in all your daily skincare regimen.